YouTube has made a massive update and no one knows about it. This update is going to change the way you do things on YouTube for the better, but it's going to be putting a lot of freelancers and graphic designers out of business. This is one of the most exciting updates I've seen from YouTube in a very long time. And if you have any videos that are not getting the attention they deserve, keep on watching this video because this new update by YouTube is going to change that. Hello, my name is Marty Englander and I show people how to build with AI and then package it and then sell it. So if you're a business owner, agency, or marketer who is looking to make more money online whilst freeing up more of your time, I'll leave a link in the description below to come join my free school group where I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and how you can do it as well. One of the biggest things you need in order to go viral or get more views is a good thumbnail. In fact, I believed in this so much that I actually built my own tool called thumbnailedai.com, and you can just come into this app, select an image reference, enter in some topic details, and then generate epic thumbnails for your videos. But now this tool may have just become obsolete, and I'm not even sad about it. You see, inside our YouTube channels, we can go into any video that's not getting a lot of views or views that we're happy with. We can click the details button, and then we scroll down to where it says thumbnail. We can click on get suggestions, and now YouTube is doing something incredible. Now, whilst we're waiting for that to finish doing what it's doing, I want to show you another little hidden feature that YouTube has kept quiet but have recently released, and it's game changing as well. If you're like me and you create lots of short form videos and schedule them out, and you do this all from your computer, one of the most annoying things is trying to set a thumbnail. In fact, you need to bulk upload all of your YouTube videos and then go into your phone and manually go into each one and change the thumbnail. And we know anything done on the phone is often quite time consuming, especially if you have an older generation of a phone that's slowing down. But YouTube has just made an update where we don't need to do that anymore. As an example, I can go into one of my videos and below it we now see the thumbnail, and we have two options. We can click the three dots here, do reselect, and we can actually reselect the thumbnail to whichever frame it's suggesting for us. And that is incredibly useful. It's because now you can jump straight into your codecs or your AI and have it automatically do these processes for you. Like what you see here in this chat with codecs, it just scheduled 12 YouTube videos for me. So I didn't need to manually schedule each one. All right, let's go back to that video where we clicked get suggestions, and we'll open up the AI chat again and look what it's done. It's created different concept thumbnails for me. So we have the do this concept thumbnail, and then we have a large numbers concept thumbnail, and then we have the title head concept thumbnail as well. And what makes these thumbnails so unique is it'll actually transcribe our videos for us, which saves us money on transcription tools. It'll understand the best moments of that video or the most engaging or click-worthy moments, and it will actually utilize that inside the videos. So in this video here, I'm showing people how to automate uploading videos to TikTok. And in the video, I show how you can do 50 videos in one go. So it's understood that, and it's created these thumbnails. But it's also utilized the image of me from my initial thumbnail and changed my clothing, my position, and even the way I look. So now I can just click download and then click change and upload that thumbnail. If you have any questions, drop them below. Let me know your thoughts on this. And if I helped you today, make sure to leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.